Hi, this is Sir Bren and I want to show you in this video on how to do one sample and two sample t-test in Minitab. First example is we want to compare a population mean to a hypothesized mean or target value. We have four columns A, B, C, and D representing the processing times of four locations. We want to compare one location's mean to a target value of, let's say, 20 hours. We will do a one sample t-test for location A. But first, we will do a normality test if the data is suitable to a t-test. Let's go to Stat, Basic Statistics, Normality Test. Place A at the variable and click OK. You can see a high p-value of 0.975 indicates it's normal, and visually the plot is also normal. The dots are close to the line. So let's proceed in doing the one sample t-test. Go to Stat, Basic Statistics, one sample t, one or more samples each in a column. Then click this one, place column A in the blank portion. Check Perform Hypothesis Test, and we want the hypothesized mean as 20 hours, or 20 hours is our target value. Go to Options, this is by default, confidence level is 95%. Alternative hypothesis, we will leave this as mean is not equal to the hypothesized mean, and click OK. And we will go to Graphs. You can pick any of these three, but we will choose histogram. Click OK, and then OK. At the histogram, we can see the confidence interval. The confidence interval does not overlap with the hypothesized mean value of 20. Furthermore, we can see the p-value is lower than 0.05. Therefore, we reject the null hypothesis. We conclude that the population mean of A is not equal to 20. Now, to compare means of two locations, let's say for A and for D, we will run a two sample t-test. But first, let's also check if location D's data is normal. So go to Stat, Basic Stat, then Normality Test. Let's put C4 or D in the variable and then click OK. You can see a high p-value of 0.851 indicating that location D's data is normal. Thus, we can run a two sample t-test. Go to Stat, Basic Statistics, two sample t. Set this in each sample is in its own column. For sample 1, we will place A. For sample 2, we will place D. Click the options. Confidence interval is at default 95%. Hypothesized mean difference is 0. And alternative hypothesis, we will leave this by default. Do not check the assume equal variances. Click OK, and then OK. In this session window, you can see that it's confidence interval, includes 0 in between, and its p-value is greater than 0.05. Therefore, we will fail to reject the null hypothesis. We conclude that the difference of population mean for A and D is equal to 0. Or we do not have enough evidence that the difference between the population means is statistically significant. With this, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, Sir Bren. Keep safe always and God bless.